All right, this is awesome. This is the lure my son just made for us to use today. And we're hooked up within minutes. Keep reeling, boy, keep reeling, keep reeling. Almost there, almost there. Keep coming, keep coming, keep going. All right, perfect. You can stop reeling down. Check it out. Woo!
Nice.
Yeah.
Awesome, dude.
All right, check this out. Is this your first fish that you've ever caught? No?
On a boat. Yeah.
On a boat? Okay. Check this out. We have a tradition here, okay, boy? Because of your age, you don't have to do it. But I'm going to show you, okay? Everyone knows how we do it. I'm going to teach you how we do it, okay? So we fill and gut the fish, right? We take out the guts so that the fish is good quality when we eat it. Alright? But another thing we do for good luck is we take a bite of the beating heart of the tuna. Okay? Here you go. Fill it. Just hold it. Just hold it. Watch it. Hold it. Pinch it. Pinch it. Alright. He's young, so he doesn't have to do it. Okay, guys? This is for our YouTube channel. Okay?
Oh,
say what's up, YouTube?
What's up, YouTube? One on already.
Alright, we already got one. Clean up the mouth, turn around, and do it again. Alright. That's Joaquin, no, in the front?
Yes.
Joaquin, do me a favor, boy. Open the cooler you're sitting on.
Pick up the lid, boy.
Just lift up the lid. Okay? Throw this in there, okay? Alright. Don Pedro just made this last night. Check it out. There's the tie. Did he ties them himself? Yeah. The lures, yeah.
Right.
It's awesome. Let's see, check it out. The slip knot on top's holding. Awesome. We're gonna reset the lines, get back around, do it again. Here we go. You got the line though? Turn it, take it, turn on the front fish. Alright, we're doubled up, guys. Come, Juan Carlos, come. Alright, we're doubled up. Come. Come on, come. Come, brother. Same way, okay? Carlos, come. Come. Just get the hand line. Pull the hand line into the boat. Pull it into the boat. Keep going, okay? I got the boys, don't worry. Keep pulling that line into the boat. Keep reeling, boys, like this. Keep reeling, come on. Keep reeling, boys, keep reeling. There you go, dude. Keep reeling, okay? Keep cranking it. Keep cranking it, keep cranking it. Alright, I don't meet too many people with my name, but this little young man's name is Joaquin. That's my name, Joaquin. You don't meet a lot of people with that name, right? You know why? Because it's a badass name. All right, we got 1 out of 3 so far. Dad got his in. The 2 boys still on theirs. Come on, boys, let's go. Keep reeling, boys. Keep reeling, just like that, okay? Keep reeling. You got Juan Carlos there, and I got Joaquin here, shoot. Okay. Keep reeling, boys. A little faster. All right. It's because it's not guided, all right? Okay, so go roll again, go. Good. There you go. There you go. There you go. Keep reeling. You're almost there. You're almost there. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. You're almost there. There's your fish. Keep going. Go, 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 go. Little more. Come on. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. Little more. Little more. Go. Go. Little more. Reel it. Reel it. Reel it. Go ahead. Go. Little more. Almost here. Almost here. Keep reeling. Keep reeling. Guide his line. Okay. Guide his line. Guide us. Good. Keep reeling. Keep reeling. Keep reeling. Go. Go. Keep reeling. Keep turning it. Keep turning, go ahead, keep turning. Go ahead, go ahead. Go ahead. Really, go ahead, go ahead. Go. Go ahead. Okay, go ahead, go ahead. Turn it. Harder, okay. Go ahead, go faster, go faster. Okay, turn it faster, okay? Go, go, go. Okay, here, we're gonna do it this way. This line didn't get guided properly, so I'm gonna hand line it in, okay? Check this out, okay? So because we didn't pile it up correct on the reel, it got stuck in the middle. So check this out. I'm gonna hand line it in simple. I don't want you to do it because there's a shark that bites the line and can wrap your hand and cut it, okay? So I'm gonna do it for you. Check this out. Let's hope I get it all the way in the boat, okay? There it is. Woo! There There's your fish, dude. Check it out. Here's that lure. I was just telling you guys that Don Pedro rigged. You got it? You got it?
Yeah, I got it.
There's one more. Where'd you go? Oh, you dropped in the water? Oh my God!
Hey, don't be it.
He dropped the fish in the water. So we got 3 out of 3, but Carlos here gave one back to the gods, right?
Give it back. Give it back. There you go.
Giving back. So nobody better say he's a greedy guy because he gave back. All right, let's get a picture of the boys. Boys. Hey, these are the moments I live for. I don't know about you guys watching, but father and son fishing trips are my favorite. This is what my favorite thing in the world to do is fish with my son, and taking people to experience this with theirs is the best part about this job. Check it out. There we go. Hooked up again. That's one. That same lure. That same lure Don Pedro tied, man. I'm telling you. Money. Come on, boys. Who wants to reel? In a reel? Okay, let's go. Come. Ready? Go. Go ahead. Go ahead and reel. Go ahead and reel. Okay, you guide it for him, okay? All right, that's one. I'm gonna slow down a little because that line's pretty far out. Let him be able to reel it faster. Okay, go ahead and turn it faster. Dad's got it for you. Okay, row. Is the line getting stuck or it's good still? Gotta make sure you guide it, okay? Evenly left to right. The only thing that'll hold you back is that if that line gets stuck. You're gonna go back and say, Dad, I got this, and just finish it, okay? Finish it. There it is, you're almost here. Come on, Carlos, you want to try picking up the fish? No? Okay, your dad got it then, your dad got it. Keep coming, keep coming, keep coming. You're almost here. That's it, now just grab the line. Grab the line, I'm pulling on the side of the boat. Okay? In the boat. There we go. All right.
Rusty, but
there's that lure. Okay, let me take a picture of that again.
Come here, one. Just ball it.
All right, we got a fish when we're bleeding a fish. Go ahead, set him up. Come on. Okay, go ahead. All right, we're hooked up while we're bleeding the other tuna over here. This is the action we want. Ken, you okay in the front? Yeah? All right. This is what it's about, baby. Father and son fishing. Here we go. Ken, can you open the cooler, please? Okay, open it. Okay, now close it. Thank you. All right, got one more coming in. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Hold on, we got a tangle. I gotta fix that. All right, we're hooked up again.
Who wants to try again? Lift it back, right? Lift it back, or
Just like start reeling, boy. All right, Ken, it's your turn. It's your turn. Get it, buddy. coming. You're almost there. A little faster and you'll be home, okay? See your fish swimming? Almost there, buddy. There's your fish. Come and get it. Come and get this line.
Okay.
Come and get this line. Come on. There's your fish, bro. Woo!
Huh? Yep. They're
Man, that lure is on fire today, dude.
Lucky lure right here.
Check it out. Okay, you got the fish?
Yeah.
I got the lure?
Yeah.
Okay. Good job, Joaquin. I get tired of saying that name. I never get to say it. I always hear it, but I never say it. This is so awesome, guys. Okay, hold the fish by the tail, huh? Yeah. Put like a grip in between your hand. Like that. There you go. Just like that. All right, Cherry. All right, guys, we're back on again. Check this out. Same side, same lure. It cannot get much better than this, dude. Father and son fishing, my man. This is what life's about.
Yeah. All right,
Let's go, boy.
Come on, let's go, let's go. Keep going, fight him. Fight him.
Man, there's a lot of folks around us right now, dude. Holy smokes, there's 5 behind you. Check that out. Yes, everybody's at the school. All right, here we go. Dad's gonna finish it off. It's a lot harder than it looks, right? Yeah, that's fishing muscle. You watch YouTube or no? Yeah? So this is for YouTube. So make sure you tell them to smash that like button and what? And subscribe! Yeah, we got a YouTuber on board. Alright, let's shut up and fish Guam, okay? Check it out, you'll see all the action. Alright? You gotta say what's up to your people. You got a shout out for anyone? Who's your favorite YouTuber to watch? You don't know? There's too many. Here we go. Dad's got it near the boat. Let's see if he gets this one all the way in. No pressure, it's just gonna be on live YouTube. Okay, go, grab the line. 1, 2, 3, there it is. There's the fish. There's that same lure again. This is amazing. Check it out. There we go. Once again, shout out to my son Don Pedro. Good job, boy. Good job.
Nice lure, thank you, Don Pedro. Lucky lure,
Lucky
effective.
lure.
That's not lucky, that's effective.
That's an effect. No, luck is out the window
Yeah,
already.
this is effective. Professionalism.
There you go. Okay, we're on the hand line action, baby. Side of the boat, okay? Side of the boat. Woohoo!
There we go.
There
Want to help
it
me?
is.
Take it out.
There's fish diving everywhere back there. Once I go a little faster, they're probably gonna bite. All right, we're hooked up again. There's that yellowfin you've been asking for. All right, keep it coming, keep it coming. Oh man, looks like you might have got a head of the fish.
Yeah.
Looks like he's only got the head. We'll see. I don't know. It was a nice big strike. It took off and ran. We had to put some pressure on it. We actually had to put the drag on it. We'll see. I don't know. Maybe a shark. Oh, the shark's right behind you, dude. The shark's chasing it. Yeah, the shark's right behind it too. I can see it. Keep coming, keep coming, keep coming. Right there, got the line. Look at that. There's your yellowfin. Wow.
See that shark?
Check this out, guys. So this is what happens fishing on Guam. I mean, fishing anywhere in the world with the sharks. Remember what I was just telling you?
Yeah,
What's here at the school?
sharks were here.
The sharks were here.
Yeah.
Sure enough, check it out. Nice yellowfin. Look at it. Beautiful fish still. Still good. Maybe sashimi inside there. We'll see. We'll chop up some of this at the dock. The shark basically bled the fish out for us, so we don't need to do that. The shark's gonna come back for more. We don't want to stay here and keep fishing with the shark. The shark's always gonna win. All right, I told you, no yellowfin.
Shit.
Check that out, boy.
Nice.
Woo! All right, we'll see you guys back at the dock on the chopping block. All right, guys, we're back at the dock. Check it out. Don Pedro's here to greet the boys. Let them know. Check it out. This is an awesome catch for you boys, man.
Yep.
Right here, right outside the channel. You can't ask for much more than that. Close fishing, safe fishing. I'm fishing with your dad. This is stuff that you gotta cherish and you'll remember forever. And it's one of the best things you could ever do in life. Is bond with your dad like this out here fishing. So I'm chopping up the tuna fillets for the boys to take home, and we're having a lot of fun feeding the rays here. So if you guys want to come out and fish with us, or just, I don't know, come out and check us out, bring your kids, let them come and experience this. Show you guys right here. All right, the boys are feeding the stingrays here. There you go. Go ahead. There he is. So they're kind of camouflaged in the sand here. It's hard to see it unless they come up. They're being kind of shy. I guess there's a lot of us here in the dock. But yeah, that's something cool that we do here at Shut Up and Fish Guam. All right, here's some fresh Kelaguen with the yellowfin tuna that they caught. This is actually the one that the shark took a chunk out of, so there's no blood in it at all. This should be really good. And of course it pairs best with tortilla chips. All right, boys, try your catch.
Ready? Try it out.
I made this super good so you could try it. It's not gonna be fishy at all. That's what you eat with the chips. They're eating the chips only. What's going on? Don Pedro, come try the Kelaguen.
Yeah. Come on.
It's not spicy, it's not too sour. It's just fresh.
Here, give you a little bit here. Put it on it. Hold it over the bowl. Hold it over the bowl. One.
Here, look. I'll show you.
Right.
Okay, you go like this, use your thumb, and you just eat it. Look at Don Pedro, okay? No.
Try it. Right.
Come on, I need to know what you think. That's why I can. All Kims are badass, dude. You gotta be badass. Come on. Show YouTube what time it is.
Oh.
Go, we're waiting for you. Just eat the whole thing with the chips. It's good. Look at this guy, dude. You don't have to tell him. Look, he's just gonna keep eating.
Bob's in there. Little Bob's.
Sweat. Right?
Good.
What do you think?
Nice job, bro. One.
Good.
Little one.
It's good.
Yeah, wait till I make it into a cheeseburger for you. Fish burger. Good stuff.
What do you think, bro? That's over 10 years you haven't had fresh fish on the right off the boat. Oh, it's a different, right? It's a different story when you try it like that, because the texture of the fish is still firm.
Yeah, you can't. Rotary can't beat this, bro. Rotary's fishing. Ain't got nothing on this.
Cannot.
One more.
All right. You watch YouTube? Okay, I need you guys to tell them what to do. Come, son. All right, I hope you guys like this video. Stay tuned for the next one. And don't forget to